Jesse, good? Gabo, good?
Let's go, bananas!
Make sure. You setting a swim meet there, Porter? Triathlon, maybe?
More, yeah, more.
That's it.
Oh, nice. Now, yes! Just the way we drew it up.
Sweet cat you got.
Thank you. I just got her.
Nice.
It's not really litter box trained though, it's questionable. Supposed to get that, sweetheart.
Yeah. Oh, JP.
Why did they have to call you today? Huh? Why did they have to call you at work?
Marshmallows.
Nobody can. I've seen you using the wrench and I was like,
My dress. I guess you don't take a picture.
Sale is not there. Yeah, but they had picture, Aspen, dress.
Two.
My name's not Joe. Yeah. I got pissed. I don't know if you were in that group chat. But you know what? I'm upstairs whenever you guys are running good product right now. Because nobody seems to have any answer. Not even the camera.
I don't know why he's mad. We were really good, and now we don't know. Small answers.
Oh, it's a beautiful night. I was like, get the line if I late. No, he's yes. Late. Why would they ruin his sleep?
It's nothing related to makeup. It's just this is like so I was like half an hour.
There you go. You're gone. Wake up, partner.
That baby is funny. To be honest, I work for like 12 years.
Yeah, no, man. I want to keep that. Take the money that's good in there. But I think it was less right.
Neil, got me center.
All the
Said first pitch. Here, Neil. Get closer, Neil. Get in there. Right in front, Neil. Right in front. Right in front, Neil. Crash net. Crash net.
Let's move on.
Good job.
That's it. That's it. We're going to win. Good seeing you at work. Nice.
front of me. You can see my reclining chair.
Here, Kappa. Do you know the brand Kappa?
Brown Kappa, I don't know. Do you put rum in it?
No.
Then I don't know it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
They don't have insurance.
It took the difficulty down to an 8.5.
They don't have insurance.
Go for it, Neil.
Nice.
I don't care what order that is.
Thank you.
Oh no, there's another order. That's about that. Nice turn.
Well done, Neil. Three.
Shoot it. Nice. Good. Yeah. Buena, Cintia. Sorry, Marshall. That was Cynthia's goal. I know. Time. No. Go! Nice passing, guys. Run. Yeah, we get
Through the middle.
Shoot it. Space. You got in the back also? Oof!
Free one. You know what you're doing back there, Ronaldo, or are you just twisting things up?
He's working on it.
Okay. Thank you, Marshall. Forget kidding.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Nice to have an assistant rep.
Nice. One in the back. Did it hit? I have no idea. Yeah.
Did he get you? I couldn't see it.
Watch back, watch
Did
back.
he get you, Porter? I couldn't see whether he
Back,
pulled or...
back.
I couldn't see if you slid or if you pulled your leg.
Oh, no.
It looked like you just slipped, yes. Okay. I didn't hear anything.
Last man. He's a great Yeah, behind you. Show off. Keep going.
Hi, Ray. Have a good night. See you, Steph.
Didn't get my foot on it, but thank you, Lindsay.
No problem.
Look. Neil, Nick, push back. Hold it.
Heartbeat. Well done.
There you go, Neil.
That's it. Ready for Neil.
Go on. Good stuff, Neil.
Look at me again.
He thought about it.
We need a right
Gotta run faster.
It's just his right foot, Nicola. You don't have to worry about that one.
No, Go to shape or rest. Right around. Keep pushing. Stay right.
Now, stay with it, Nick.
That's it. That's it.
Come on, Neil. Need that, buddy. Need that. Oh.
I'll take one.
Go up there, Neil. I'll pass it up to you.
That's it. Good press.
Nice.
Press back.
Good recovery, Maggie.
Push the right.
Stella, seems like more.
Go, Maggie, go. Press. One of you.
Choose one.
Good try.
Go, Neil.
Watch this far side.
Nice.
Here's Maggie.
All right.
Get around, Nick. A little tall. My fault.
Got behind you with Nick.
We're down like
It did.
Strike. First side. One shot. You're good.
go for short.
Dealer.
Oh, I can't even no, I was trying to.
Oh, here, Alex. Oh, that's her. Five, two, what is it?
4-2.
It's 14 to
14. When?
last week.
Yeah, I was in Cambridge. Otherwise, I would.
But Sean had a great from the
Oh yeah, nice.
I think we lost about 16. They decided that just because we came on it hard, but
Which did you play?
right.
Oh really? Fuck you, sir.
Oh, sorry, I thought you were a little baby.
Well, just like the last one. Yeah. To a point where it's like, like,
Keep the hands down.
to be kind. But I think it was a good experience for us. We enjoyed it. It was fun.
Did you call it on yourself, or were you just shooting?
I kind of stopped, but then nobody else did.
No, get them the ball. Get them the ball.
Well, if you hit it with your hand, then when it's in time.
I'm the only one that noticed it.
There.
I saw God notice that one, Marshall.
When there's 3 people in the way, I can't.
Especially over me there, man. Anyway, my
I saw that one too, Marshall.
I went to get the ball. I got clipped. I just looked at yeah. I'm like, come on.
He's not gonna do it.
Bit of a delay, eh?
Here we go.
Numbers down there now.
Higher, a foot wider, we beat so much.
Spanish for that.
Everything goes clear.
Oh, there you go. Blue ball.
You take something up there. Heard it. You see it move.
God needs to get on this game.
I thought I would do it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Nixie.
Watch back, watch back.
One coming. One coming. There you go. Oh, it's gross. I'm sitting on a low chair.
I said if that net was a foot wider and a foot higher, you'd be up by so many.
Yeah, fine. One ball. Leave long, leave long.
A tu derecha, a tu derecha, a tu derecha, a tu
Two
derecha.
down here, one ball. Two down two.
Time turn.
Come on, Taylor. Come on, buddy. Pressure, pressure, pressure. More. Go, guys. See the ball.
So what's my soul?
Oh!
Put back.
You're saying my soul is at 30%. 10% soul.
10% soul. You're holy
That's there. Kid, I've got my soul.
I see it on internet.
He's your man, Neil. Where are you, buddy? Don't run past him, dude.
There you go. Sorry, Dad.
Come on, Mike. On your rails. One to be.
Shot.
That works.
That's blue ball.
It's your body.
I got spotted.
Relax.
Okay.
Done.
Go in the middle.
Wait a second.
I'm lucky, pal.
I gotta stop telling people that.
Not a girl neck. Don't let her pass. You got him. You got him still. You got him.
Mike.
Oh. Pressure, guys. Pressure. Nice stop, Dad.
Yes.
Cynthia, perfect fake.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Only three.
Okay.
I enjoyed the I wasn't paying attention.
Go, go on, no. Pressure, Neeler, where are you, bud? Keep going, baby, well done. Don't turn, guys, don't turn.
Go on, Neil. Head up.
This side. Hold on, buddy. Leave, guys, leave. We're staring on him. We're staring on him. Get over me, guys. Here, yeah, just leave.
Keep going, Neil. Stay on him.
Get him. Hold on.
No, Mike.
Come on, Neil, get in. Need help.
Good job.
Go.
Jump, Ollie.
Get up there, buddy.
Was this like a goalie pack?
Up there, buddy, up there.
I forgot rules. I forgot to scream Dane and roll around. Watching my hat.
Hit one, Neil. Attaboy.
Yeah.
Crack it.
Your ball, Neeler.
Your ball, Neil.
Come on, Neil.
Neil, it's your ball.
Hey, Neil.
No. Over here, Nikhil. Over here,
You just can't win.
That was Mike's ball.
Thanks, Neil. Oh, jeez.
It's almost a goal.
Not where I was planning on putting it.
I'm lucky, Dave. I'm lucky, sir.
Mostly it's just the realization.
There you go.
Nice job.
Mark up. Oh, you're even in the little circle. Drop, babe. Oh, Jamie.
That away.
Nice job. Go.
Hub kept it.
Sit it.
He used the hub trick. He used the hub.
Jamie, you ready for sub?
Over, Neil.
You can't. You gotta keep going. You gotta score.
All right.
That's more, buddy. Give me bit in the post.
You guys are all discombobulated down at the yellow end now.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
That was your chance, Jamie. You don't get a suck now.
Don't let it fight, shit. Oh, sorry, Mike.
Here you go, buddy. Ball, James.
I'll take one.
Not Neil. Not Mike. Thanks, Neil.
Use that.
Ah.
I'm not getting in front of the hub. We don't take it off. Kicked it off to the side.
Where's Ray there, Maggie? Where's Ray tonight? Is that your sister? I thought you guys had nothing. Yep, just a sister, right?
Just a sister.
Ray is the brother?
Ray is the brother.
Gotcha.
Keep going, keep going. Got it, girl. Hold on. Face head.
Okay, yellow. Amin, you ready?
Yes.
That was nice, guys. Está bien.
Help!
Ball on the ground. Okay, perfect. There you go. Leave, Nick. Unlucky, Neeler.
So now I'm in your head, Neil.
Push, Neil. Push, 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 push. Settle.
I'll just try, guys.
Good job, good job. Keep the pressure, keep the pressure.
Watch Nicola.
Fine. Okay, then sit on these chairs. Yeah. Can't ruin the face. You mean you don't want to be attacked by the snake?
Oh, man.
All right, Blue, let's go. Real pain in the arse.
It's in your head, Mike.
Yeah. God, let's go get it in your head, Mike.
Really good.
I'm going up.
Where'd your sidekick
All right, Blue. Pick up.
Fired. Yeah. Too many phone calls. I was disappointed in the lack of care. Just wanted to get yeah. The bubble timer.
That's it.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
She hit her head.
Yeah, I fell backwards.
Oh, not again, please.
I wish you had him turned and shot there, Ollie.
She was gonna tell me. Push, 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 push. Perfect.
Jamie's there.
Nice stop.
Yeah, no, you're good.
Just kidding.
Yeah.
Nice, James. I like how you left it the whole way. It was still in the whole time. I love that. I love that strategy, buddy. Look at that.
Take me out, all right? Watch out, watch out, watch out! That's the true one.
Hard.
Oh,
Push it. Nice job, buddy.
Not Jeff.
Starts it. Yeah, the right angle. That's how I made it, apparently. No way.
That's a good point. I'm not playing.
Push.
Yeah, I already blew the whistle. Handball. Just outside. Indirect from there. It's on the blue line, the next blue line.
Next blue line. We're hauling.
There you go.
Nothing you can do about it. That's it. That's it.
I made them today.
Thank you. You're not just trying to buy my judgment here?
No, take the.
Green team, let's go.
Somebody's bribing the ref.
Remember that come from behind team?
Yes, you did.
I think they call that bribery.
Really got this.
That's what I'm thinking.
I'll know for next time.
And it's working.
I'll know. I'll remember that.
All right, one more, guys, one more.
That was the decision.
12:45.
Did you come up with it before the goal or just after?
No, no idea.
What is it?
Okay, again. Yep, one more.
Oh, I thought you meant it was like in here?
That's my second question. First question.
Yeah.
Got my
Pertaining to the game I'm playing.
Oh, Jamie, where were you? Lost in the dust.
It wasn't. I'm out. Rowan said no.
That's not funny. Can you kill you?
Time.
Whoa!
There you go.
Mike, that's for making fun of his age.
That's it, Maggie.
That's for making fun of his age. Oh my God.
What's happening?
I think I'm qualified to make fun of his age.
My groin decided to say no. Just reach for the ball and hit.
Just keep catching it.
Move it.
What are you? Talking like a gazelle over there. It's like totally different. All right, Blue, now that we're all loosened up, let's go.
These trees. This little devil is nice.
What is happening? We're slowing down.
Maggie, take your time. Go on. We're in a corner. That's half the part of the Coed Game. You understand it?
That's very good.
Oh, nice try, guys. That was a great pass, Mike. Great
My
pass.
job, my day cook is I am a cook.
Oh, okay.
Oh, are you?
So yeah, I work in childcare, but still.
Wow! Oh my goodness! Yes! Oh my goodness!
Great job. Keep
Really down. Yeah. So you're a cook.
Yeah, but I don't like making
Push, 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 push. He's out there. Push the ball. You know. Mikey.
Hey, Mike! Mike!
Let it
Here's a big question. For yourself, like,
whichever one you work. Sometimes, when I have energy.
You still.
I make a lot of cheesecake for every staff member.
Yeah.
Which is fine. I know I don't even need a recipe anymore. I know what else to help. I know eclairs take like 2 days just to make the pastry itself takes.
Really?
Yeah, for this particular recipe, because you have to start at 425 for 10 minutes, roll it to 325 for a half hour, then you have to bring it up to 485 again. It's time.
Really?
It's a labor.
Yeah, I realize.
Good pressure.
Thank you very
Mike.
much. Thank you
Good
for your labor of
pressure.
love. Time wise or score wise?
Both.
Whoa, that was a trick move, Jamie Nick.
6:40 left.
Let's go. That's right. Punch and hit it. Come on, that hurt. Come on, that hurt. Right, baby. Right. Oh.
Watch the far side.
Again, let's go. Again.
What's the time?
5:15.
10 minutes?
5:15.
No.
Yeah, sorry, 5 minutes and 15 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry, 5:15. Yeah. Okay. You're like, yeah, what the hell is that?
Nice, Nick. Good job. Good job.
Start playing at 7, 5:50.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Push.
Travel
More.
back in time.
Again, Holly. Again, baby.
Oh, nice.
Push.
Still in.
Well, technically it didn't go out. Mikey, come on!
Our ball has to be over the line, Neil.
Technically, I know about anything. You don't know anything.
Neil.
Tell that to Mike. He's trying to get me going.
Oh, Mikey! We go.
Right, Neil, a couple in.
Ah, it's right there. Ah. 12 to 5. 12.
One shot down, Neil.
Top corner, left foot.
What's up? Injured.
Don't worry.
Girls come through, Neil.
Mercy whistle, Daddy. Mercy rule.
See 1 second. Stick with it.
Right, Neil. Let's go.
Let's go bring the ball.
You got time?
Hey, your kid's giving me a hard time.
Well, yeah, that's good on her.
I didn't insult his mom or his dad. You'll be happy.
Get your superhero costume out under that? There you go.
So I take the glasses off.
Oh no.
You want one more go, Nick? Doesn't matter. Whatever to you.
Turn behind.
Need some more players on there.
Pardon?
Need some more players on there.
Press, press.
Yeah, I got my.
Press, press, press.
Watch my